That was actually a really good sound effect. What the heck? And
Fucking spin the wheel. Fucking.
that was way too good. What the heck?
I used to like fucking train horses and shit, and I got to the point to where I could like roll my tongue and.
That's crazy.
You bite down on the right side of your tongue,
Yeah.
then roll the left side up, and then just suck in air.
Yeah, no, there's no way. I'd have to learn that one. That's crazy, dude. You got some crazy talent.
That and fucking.
Oh my gosh, dude.
No, I can't do any crazy sound effects or any of that other bullshit, but I can do voices. I can do fucking car effects, like sound effects for fucking cars, semis, trucks, fucking. A fucking semi is easy. It's just a.
Yeah. That's pretty
And
spot
then
on.
car, a plane, a fucking motorcycle, all the fucking same. If you're wanting to do one specific engine, like sound.
Dude, what the hell?
In flyby. Fucking.
Oh my, you even got like the gear change in there, like the. Oh my gosh.
Like a fucking 40 roll.
Dude, you're crazy. That is crazy.